Hi, Stella. This is a response to your question on PT about this sentence here, which was from last week's exercise. I think it's 26 B or C. I'm forgetting now. But anyway, it looks like you still don't quite understand how this sentence works, so I wanted to walk you through it real quick. Um, so here's the charts for hic and ille. Hic and ille, right? Hic, hic, hoc, and ille, illud. This is this, and this is that, right? And well, I should say this and these, and that and those. And those, of course, all go into different cases too. So you got the first part of the sentence basically correct, and I think you're not sure about this here. So let's go. The verb here tells you what's going on. You say we give, but I say we will give. I don't know if you remember, but the bi in there, I mean that's a future tense indicator right there. So that's bo, bis, bit, bimos, bitis, bunt, right? So we will give, and multa is like many things, or you said much, but many things, literally. This is actually a neuter plural ending, and it's an adjective, and so you would expect it to be with like a noun to modify it, but when an adjective like appears like this by itself, you can kind of turn it into a noun, and that's a topic that isn't really covered in this course enough, but it shows up a fair amount in Latin, so I feel like it's worth a mention. So we will give many things, and then if you follow the chart here, you got it right, but huic puero. So huic is obviously the dative case, dative singular for all three genders. And puero is the dative singular for a second declension masculine noun like puer. So huic puero basically means to this boy, right? We will give many things to this boy. And then what's going on here is that some of this, the next part of this sentence is there's kind of implied stuff going on. You kind of keep that verb going. We will give many things to this boy, and we will give nothing to that one. Now, if you look at illy right here, you see it's on that same line as huic is, and that's how you know that this is it's not that that boy is giving nothing, because if that were true, that would be ille right here. That would be like that one is doing something, because that would be a nominative pronoun there. But illy is dative. So that's how we know that we will give nothing to that boy. I hope that kind of solves the problem for you. Let me know if it's still unclear, but that's a case issue, right? Now, illy, of course, could be nominative, plural, but it just doesn't work in this context. Those boys give nothing. That doesn't really work. So the verb is shared here. We will give many things to this boy, and we will give nothing, which is an indeclinable noun, by the way. Like, that one doesn't have cases. It doesn't have like nihil, nihilist, nihilem. It's just nihil always. And that's just a dative singular right there, as you see here, here, and here. So hope that helps. Take care.